Mastering HRIS Queries, your ultimate guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Human Resource Information Systems, or HRIS, and how queries play a huge role in managing HR data. Whether you're working with a big company or just starting out, understanding queries is essential. Now you might be thinking, queries? Sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, once you get the hang of it, queries can save you a ton of time and make your HR life so much easier. We'll talk about 3 main types of queries, what they do, and how they help make your HRIS experience smoother. By the end of this video, you'll be a query master, ready to tackle any HR data challenge that comes your way. First up, let's talk about the select query, and trust me, this is the most commonly used query. So what does it do? Well, it lets you ask specific questions to the database to get the exact information you need. Think of it like a smart search engine, but for your HR data. Let's say you need to find all employees who are due for a performance review in the next month. With a select query, you can specify criteria like job title, department, and last performance review date to quickly generate a list of relevant employees. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech whiz to write these queries. Most HRIS platforms have user-friendly interfaces that let you select criteria from drop-down menus or use simple search terms. It's like having a personal assistant for your HR data. So whether you need a quick overview of your workforce or want to dig into specific employee details, the select query is your go-to tool. It's all about pulling out exactly what you need, whether it's broad or super specific. Next, let's move on to action queries. Now, these guys are more about doing things, not just asking questions. When you need to update or modify the data in your HRIS system, action queries have got your back. Think of action queries as your automated HR assistants. They can perform repetitive tasks like updating employee records, calculating payroll, and even generating reports, all without you having to lift a finger. For instance, let's say you want to give all employees in a specific department a 3% raise. Instead of manually updating each employee's salary information, you could use an action query to automatically apply the raise to all eligible employees in one go. And the best part is, action queries can save you a ton of time and reduce the risk of human error. By automating these tasks, you can free up your HR team to focus on more strategic initiatives like talent development and employee engagement. And finally, we have the crosstab query. If select queries are about pulling specific data and action queries are about modifying it, crosstab queries are all about analyzing and summarizing your HR data to uncover valuable insights. Think of crosstab queries as your personal HR data analyst. They allow you to slice and dice your data in countless ways, revealing trends and patterns that might not be visible at first glance. For example, you could use a crosstab query to compare employee turnover rates across different departments, identify high-performing teams, or analyze the effectiveness of your training programs. Let's say you want to see how employee satisfaction varies by location and job level. A crosstab query can pull data from your employee satisfaction surveys, organize it based on location and job level, and present the results in an easy-to-understand table or chart. Crosstab queries are also incredibly useful for creating reports and presentations. So, if you're serious about using data to make informed HR decisions, crosstab queries are your secret weapon. So, to sum it all up, queries in an HRIS are essential for extracting, modifying, and analyzing data. The select query helps you find exactly what you're looking for, the action query allows you to perform updates and calculations, and the crosstab query lets you analyze data across multiple sets. Plus, there's a ton more they can do to help you work smarter, not harder. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to start using queries effectively. Most modern HRIS platforms offer intuitive interfaces and helpful resources to guide you along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more HRIS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.